Enhance the beauty and longevity of your garden with the perfect selection of perennial flowers and plants. Perennials are a fantastic addition to any garden because they come back year after year, saving you time and effort in replanting. In this video, we present a curated list of 30 exceptional perennial flowers and plants that thrive in various climates and soil conditions. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these stunning perennials will add color, texture, and charm to your outdoor space. Number 1. Roses, Rosa spp. Number 2. Lavender, Lavandula spp. Number 3. Coneflowers, Echinacea spp. Number 4. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia. Number 5. Daylilies, Hemerocallis. Number 6. Peonies, Pioneer. Number 7. Geraniums, Geranium s. Number 8. Hostas. Number 9. Salvias. Number 10. Bee balm, Monarda. Number 11. Sedums. Number 12. Coreopsis. Number 13. Russian sage, Perovskia atriplicifolia. Number 14. Daisies, Leucanthemum s. Number 15. Catmint, Nepeta. Number 16. Irises. Number 17. Columbines, Aquilegia spp. Number 18. Bleeding Heart, Dicentra spp. Number 19. Shasta Daisy, Leucanthemum times Superbum. Number 20. Blanket Flower, Gaillardia spp. Number 21. Japanese Anemone, Anemone hupehensis. Number 22. Phlox, Phlox spp. Number 23. Baptisia, Baptisia spp. Number 24. Hellebores, Helleborus spp. Number 25. Ornamental grasses, Miscanthus spp. Number 26. Hemerocallis spp. Number 27. Lilies, Lilium spp. Number 28. Butterfly weed, Asclepias spp. Number 29. Coral bells, Heuchera spp. Number 30. Japanese maple, Acer palmatum. Transform your garden into a perennial paradise with these 30 exceptional flowers and plants. From the classic beauty of roses and peonies to the vibrant colors of coneflowers and black-eyed Susans, these perennials offer a diverse range of shapes, sizes, and colors to suit any garden style. Explore the different varieties, consider your climate and soil conditions, and create a garden that blooms year after year with minimal effort. Enjoy the beauty and resilience of these stunning perennial plants in your garden for seasons to come.